like to build your very own money-making site without having to create any content, pay for traffic, or do any SEO? Then pay attention. In this short video, I'll show you how you can build and profit from automated sites that get filled with trending content and your affiliate links inside, pulling free traffic from one of the busiest social media sites and turning that traffic into profits day after day. All you need is just a few minutes to set it up, even if you're a complete beginner and never earned any money online. You are literally 3 easy steps away from generating unlimited free traffic, unlimited buyer leads, and unlimited profits from banner ads and affiliate commissions. Just think about that. With unlimited free traffic, buyer leads, and profits, anyone can finally stop worrying about their next paycheck and focus on the lifestyle they want and deserve. ReddBuilder is the most powerful software that I created to generate free buyer traffic and affiliate sales. If you can follow these 3 easy steps, you can become the owner of a successful money-making site so you can finally break free from the daily struggles and live your life to the fullest potential. Step 1. Purchase ReddBuilder. Quickly grab a copy before the price increases. Please keep in mind that the price goes up every 60 minutes, so hurry up if you don't want to pay more later. Step 2. Install ReddBuilder on your WordPress site. Upload, configure some basic settings, and let the software know what topics you want to focus on and how often to add new trending content to your site. Step 3. Enter your affiliate links and instantly turn your site into a profit-generating machine. You can even monetize your site with banners and multiple affiliate platforms. That's it. Your job is done. Now, trending content will be automatically added to your site every hour or as often as you like. These new posts are automatically shared on Reddit, which is one of the busiest social media sites in the world, and in the top 5 most visited sites in the US. ReddBuilder lets you tap into this multi-million traffic source, sending you visitors day after day. So how do these sites make money? The plugin allows you to automatically generate fresh articles with your affiliate links inside. So every time someone comes to your site, clicks on your affiliate links and buys, you earn commission. And the best part is that all the content and traffic generation is taking place behind the scenes without your direct involvement. You simply set up your site one time and you never have to touch it again. If you're just starting out and want to create a profitable site fast, then ReddBuilder is for you. And if you think about it, it costs less than most people spend on coffee every month. But it's not going to be priced this low for long. The price goes up every hour, and after this launch ends, it will be priced at $97. So hurry up and lock in your best deal before it's too late. And if you try ReddBuilder and need help with something, our dedicated support team will work with you through each step of the site creation process until you're comfortable with it and can build your sites fast. Or if you feel like this software is not for you, just send me a quick email within 30 days and I'll refund your entire purchase. No questions asked. The price will be going up without warning, so click the buy button below this video and get your download now.
Hi, this is Igor Bourbon, and in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to build money-making websites with our brand new software, ReddBuilder. Once you're inside your WordPress admin area, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to Reddit settings. This is where you'll need to add your account information and keys in order to connect your site to Reddit. Now, in case you've never used Reddit before, anyone can sign up for free, and it's where people from all over the world share interesting content and comment on it. So you'll need to enter your account information here and then click on this link that will open instructions for getting your API keys. It's basically just copying and pasting a couple of fields. I already have them here, so let's keep going. And by the way, everything you need to know about these settings is covered in the training videos here. Okay, so once you've taken care of settings, head over to Manage Campaign and click this big blue button on the top. We're going to set up a new content campaign that will work quietly behind the scenes and automatically add new content posts to your site. Let's give this campaign a name. I'm gonna go with Cool Guides because this is going to be for the education section on our site. People love learning something new or cool, and this type of content gets shared a lot. So let's add a campaign for that. Next we have a Reddit URL, and this is where you paste a link to a Reddit category. They also call it a subreddit. This is going to be a source of our new posts. I spent a few minutes browsing on Reddit and found this subreddit called Cool Guides. So let's use that. Copy the URL and paste it here. Then we need to pick which category on our site these new posts should be added to. I'll stick with education. And of course, you can create more campaigns for any topic or category that you like. And finally, we have post status, and I want my new post to be published right away, so let's leave it as it is. Click Save Campaign and give it a few seconds. And as soon as you do that, the plugin will start pulling all the top content from Cool Guides subreddit and posting them to your site. Let's hit refresh on our demo site and just look at that. In just a couple of minutes, we were able to create a site with some awesome content with your affiliate links inside. And every time somebody comes to your site, clicks on your affiliate link and buys, you earn commission. In addition to that, you can earn from vendor clicks and any affiliate platform. So that's just a quick demo of how the plugin works. There are some other cool features waiting for you, like ability to translate posts to other languages, use a text spinner. You can use a keyword replacer and link any word or a phrase inside your post to your affiliate links, plus many more money-making features. The special launch discount is ending soon, so go ahead and grab your download and start earning with your own money-making website today.